Right guys, this is really funny. I've got synchronised grooming going on here. This is Clarence, our younger adult male Chili Rose, having a little clean. Also, it's funny when people talk about how spiders are filthy, dirty animals. My sister was one of those, as I've said before, but you know, nothing filthy and dirty about that. Keeping himself very clean. And then over here, our older male that we did manage to breed, but possibly unsuccessfully. She's still got the exact melody, but it's looking very yellow and dried out, so we'll see. But this is Cracker, our older male, and he's molting as well. And molting, grooming. Thought I'd just show you sort of synchronised grooming that was going on here today. Quick follow-up. Earlier, Clarence was grooming along with Pepper, Cracker, our other adult male Chili Rose, and I'm not sure that this is the reason that he was doing it, but as you can see, Clarence is in the process of making his sperm web. So he's created a like a web blanket there that he's now depositing his sperm onto, and in a minute, soon, he will tear up that web with the sperm in it and pack it and force it into his pedipalps, ready for insertion into a female. So okay guys, we got some good news. Well, in fact, quite a lot of good news really. 3 molts that we know of and several in prospect. That's I showed this on the last video. That's Ben's little Chili Rose. She's come out, she's molted. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Look, there she is, beautiful, gorgeous little girl. Oh, that made everybody jump. Sorry about that, people. Spidery people. In here, the daisy's molted, so that's good. That's she's starting to look like a tarantula now, so that's awesome. And this one's going away really fast, so I don't know if it's just that they grow fast like salmon pinks, or just that it's a boy, I don't know. But that's our giant Brazilian tawny red, Granastola anthracina, and it's just molted about an hour ago. I found it. So 3 good molts, and that's awesome. So we're happy. Okay, so this is our problem. We have a quite enormous Brazilian salmon pink bird eater in here. It's far too small, as you can see. She is far too big. Rob gave us this cube just to transport her in, really, so we're a little bit behind the time, but you can see what she's done to this polystyrene background. She's absolutely decimated it, and I think that's because it's too small, not enough space for her. So Rob, very kindly indeed, because he's awesome, has given us this big tank, which I've put a bit of substrate in. I've made a burrow for her with our existing cork bark, so she'll recognise that hopefully. But she'll have an awful lot more space in here. I haven't bothered to put any decoration in because I think that's more about us than them, frankly. So she's going in this big tank. It's a 2-foot tank, and so I'm gonna get help. We're gonna film this, but I can't film it and do it, so I'm asking for assistance. And here comes my beautiful assistant, Henry. She's going to do the filming while I probably get haired and potentially bitten, but we'll see. Okay, so, oh my Christ! All right, can you see, Henry? Go on, go on, good girl. Go on, good girl. Go on, go on, girl. Go on, go on, no, good girl. Go on. Oh, I'm talking to you like you're a dog, but anyway, go on, there's a girl. Go on, no, I know. Go on, keep going, no. No, good girl. Go on. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, I don't want to hurt you. Keep going. keep going. Go on, in we go. Good girl. Good girl, go on. Yeah, a bit more Bird, go on. That's her name incidentally, Bird. There. There we go. So she's safely in our new environment. That was pretty painless. I expected to get... Oh, hold on. She's not quite in, is she? Hold on. Wait a minute, guys. I thought that might have been a bit too easy.
I think you can get...
So that's... She's in, and she's got a nice burrow if she wants it, although in my experience salmon pinks hardly ever bother with that. I think it's because they're so big that, you know, in truth, who's going to mess with her, you know? So, okay, right, so she's in. Brilliant. Awesome. Rehouse, pretty straightforward. Put our water in and away we are. That one now goes back to Rob. Thank you ever so much, Rob and Jess, for the tank. I mean, look at that, isn't she awesome? And she is genuinely gorgeous, isn't she? Look at the snake. Some people like to follow her, actually, so I've making a quick short one. She is, she really wants to come out. Look, she's sort of telling me she wants to come out, and I feel a bit guilty because I'm not taking her out right now. I'll take her out tomorrow. It's been a long old last 3 days, so yeah. There she is. Look, that's Garth. She's all well. Everything's fine. She's a big old girl. Look, there. What a lovely snake she is. Okay, that's it. Garth the Brooks King Snake. Cheers, guys. While we're doing a catch up, how about this? Those people that are Brachypelma smithy or Mexican red knee freaks, look at that for a spider. Isn't that beautiful? I'm afraid, though, that Nacho, that's his name, is probably a boy. It's not, you know, I don't care that much, but it would have been nice to have had a girl, a red knee, to keep for a long time. So I'll probably have to get another one at some stage. We'll try and breed him, but it's very pretty, isn't it? I think as spiders go, that is, they take some beating, especially when they're freshly molted. So that's Nacho, guys. Worth seeing, I think.